Water flies up to the sky, wiggle their trunks and shake their heads. Then it's off to jungle beds. Elephants, elephants, strong and wide, with swinging trunks and a mighty stride. They walk through the jungle all day long, singing their big elephant song. So if you hear a rumble near, don't be scared, there's nothing to fear. It's just elephants having fun under the trees and in the sun.